महागठबंधन करप ना करप हाजेर म्हाका दिसता दिग्विजय सिंग जे आसा आमचे गोंयचे AICCचे इंचार्ज तो आमचे कडेन न्हय पण तुमचे कडेन स्वता उलयता आसतना ही हॅज बीन व्हेरी क्लियर आय थिंक ऑन लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. सो इफ विश्वजीत or Shantaram Naik has any difference of opinion as far as General Secretary in charge's opinions, then I think he should have discussed or they should discuss it with the High Command. They both are, let me finish. They both are having very much good access to the party High Command, so they can always go and discuss these issues instead of directly going out. But at the same time, I would like to tell you is that Gathbandhan, Mahagathbandhan or whichever type of alliance, a political party has its own strategies. Political party will take decisions to win the elections, and I believe that decisions about alliance or Mahagathbandhan or Gathbandhan, appropriate decisions will be taken at appropriate time. When it comes to Mahagathbandhan, leader of opposition has made it very clear that the decisions will be taken by the High Command. So when the High Command will decide, subsequently there will be the fallouts, and subsequently the High Decision will take the corrective measures. So now commenting on it, on the apprehensions of what they will decide and what will be the outcome will be, I guess, immature on my part.
आमका महागठबंधन नाका आणि ते तुम काय सांगला दिग्विजय.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जेन्ना इलेक्शनाक वता ते गठबंधन करप महागठबंधन करप ज्यो गजाली आसा त्यो गजाली एप्रोप्रिएट टायमार एप्रोप्रिएट डिसिजन घेतले वतले. You people can be rest assured of that appropriate decision on the alliance, Mahagathbandhan or whatever will be taken at appropriate time.